Hi friends, this is another video about a face mask, but this time is totally different because it's kids mask. Because upcoming days the school's going to reopen, so kids mask was very important. I best thing like about the mask was sweat proof, fully sweat proof. So I like the mask really well because children going to wear it in the school for more than 3 to 4 hours. So it's important video for kids. So please watch the video until the end. And the brand name Parley Bright, and see this actual the product delivered. It comes with a catalog. See, we see the catalog later in the video. They're giving lots of product, toothpaste too, lots of things, lots of different types of marks also provided. First we see the box. See, Barley Bright, Startup India, and antimicrobial fabric kids mask. See, be safe and quickly kills most of the bacteria virus. Deactivates actually. It deposits on the outer and inner surface. So we need to wash the mask regularly. It's more important. See, deposit on outer and inner surface, and kids protection for virus and bacteria, and two layers reusable up to 50 watts. So it's a washable mask and a reusable mask, so no doubt it's a good product. See, kids mask, and the mask available for two set of age. See, all time comfort, but they not provided the backside layer, only they provided the mask. See what inside the box, all the sides they mainly describe about the kills bacteria and virus. Most important thing. See, this area more important. See, they giving lots of instruction in the box. Many things, full day comfort, no sweating problem more important, and moisture management technology, protection from virus and bacteria, assured antimicrobial activity, two layers and usable up to 50 washes, skin friendly and breathing comfort, and water replicant and blood resistant. So it's a wonderful mask with the two layer. I like the no sweating, more important for me because kids going to wait for more time the school. And see, these are important things you need to decide before buy the mask for your children. And see, the elastic ear loops are positioned correctly, so we need to fit the mask correctly on our face. See, it needs to covers the nose, mouth and chin because the shape was really good. You can see the mask later in the video. I will and show you. It covers on all sides and give a full day comfort, no doubt. See, the mask mentioned as based on latest report claims had by fabric manufacturer. So it's all mentioned in the box. And see, lots of things tested as per AATC, lots of things are they given, lots of things. And see, 210 I bought it for 120 in offer from Flipkart. I put link in the description. And see, one piece for 48 months, and see 2 years available. This mask for 8 to 11 years, whatever 2 to 7 years are available, and it's a made in the product. So good product, be safe, certificated. So good mask for me. I'll see the what inside the box and see the review. See, this is the packing, actual packing. See, packing was good, no doubt. See, the color was really beautiful, and the cloth quality looks fantastic. Like jeans cloth, and the look wise was really good, no doubt. See, the shape, they done a great job. See the shape, and it covers the nose, chin area, and up to the ears. And the ear loop was a excellent quality. For 129 MB, it's a good product. Don't think twice before you buy the product because safety is very needed for children. That's what. And the sweating proof was really important. See the shape, it covers from all sides, and see the cloth quality, fine cloth quality. I really saw the cloth quality, excellent cloth quality, no doubt. It's wonderful. The look wise, the cloth quality, everything was fine, no doubt, fantastic. Full day comfort. See, Parley Bright, be safe. First we see the stitching. See the stitching, single stitching, but still it was fine. Stitching quality was really fine. Cloth was very soft and excellent quality of cloth, very fine stitching. See the bottom, the chin area. See, it covers from all sides, and the stitching on all sides was perfect. And see the sides. And the stitching was more important, and it's really good for kids. More important to last long. See the cloth quality, fine cloth. The inside side was very soft. They use good cloth quality, 2 layers. We need to remain. See, cloth quality was fine, stitching was fine. And see ear loop, elastic, high quality elastic was used. And see how they stitched the quality was really good. Stitching quality, elastic quality was fantastic, not irritating in any way. I wear for 2 days and really comfortable, and no doubt it's a good quality of mask. See, while the shape was more important and the cloth quality, basic look was more important. See, my face is a small face, so it was fitted for me. See, sides covered out really well, and the mouth, chin area, and the nose area, all side protection, no doubt, not hiding my eye in any way. See, all side protection. I really like the mask really well. Fully comfort, nose fitting is the more important. See, wonderful mask, and see the ear loop, not going to irritate you in any way. Really fantastic mask. See the shape, the stitching was really good. Still many of them not able to provide the shape of this particular shape was more important, and because it covers in all area, and the ear loop was more important, not cause irritation in any way. See, really good, and stitching sorry to last long, and the cloth quality fine, very soft quality of cloth, and the color was good, not fad after washes, so it's a good cloth quality. Look wise, product wise is a very good, and slowly it suits for kids really well. If you want to give a good mask for your children, this is the mask for you, and see the product, fantastic product. No sweating was liked by me the most, and see from all the sides you can see production was really good, and because it is very very needed for children, because they're going to mingle with lots of students in the school, so more important, the mask was really very very important, and this is the mask for you, and it is satisfied with the product. See, I put the product link in the description, and if you have any doubt, please put in the comment section. I will reply in 6 hours. 2 sizes available, so no doubt you can choose the best size for your children. See lots of products are available. These will up to 200 washes. Put product link in the description. Check for various product and see lots of size of masks available. All are lots of production. All comes with lots of production and really good mask. See, men, women, kids, they put lots of masks. Certificated with certificate fabric manufacturer. See, these are the things already we see in the box. Applicable for all the masks. See, these are the things we already see, and these are applicable for all the masks. See, suits are available. Fiji, Japanese green tea, lots of products available, and more important, toothpaste. See, I am also using the toothpaste, and it's really good. Mouthwash are available. These are products they providing. All are getting good review in the online. See, sensitive teeth, anti-cavity, charcoal paste are available. Advanced sensitive, whitening, and lots of things. It was very useful. Cavity protection, whitening, and charcoal toothpaste all are very useful. I am only trying anti-cavity, and I got a good result. Please try the product, and the mask is very important for your kids when they enter into school. It's very important. Protection from all sides, and sweat proof I like the most. I will put a link in the description, and if you have any doubt, put in the comment section. I will play in 6 hours. See, this the product works, but the backside was not coming, was the only disappointment for me. And if the backside was arrived with the box, then it's really good. They give lots of comfort to the children, but it missed, and a little bit disappointed with the product. That is a great product. Thank you, Dairam 7.